Hey there, welcome to RackNerd TV. I'm Christian and today I'm excited to guide you through the process of installing Joomla on your VPS. Joomla is a super powerful content management system that is perfect for creating and managing your website, whether it is a personal blog, a business site, or an online community. It is known for its flexibility, ease of use, and wide range of extensions and templates that allow you to customize your site to your heart's content. But why choose Joomla for your website? Well, Joomla offers a great balance between ease of use and powerful functionality. It's highly customizable with thousands of extensions and templates, making it an ideal choice for any kind of website. Plus, it has strong community support and regular updates, ensuring your site remains secure and up to date. But before we dive into the installation, make sure that you've watched our recent video on how to install KeyHelp on Ubuntu. KeyHelp is a free hosting control panel for managing your server easily to host multiple scripts or websites in just a few clicks. Please note that Joomla 5 now requires KeyHelp to be installed on Ubuntu 22.4 instead of 20.04, as mentioned in the previous tutorial. If you haven't set KeyHelp up yet, head over to RackNerd.com to order a VPS and also a domain name. You can check out all of these tutorials on our YouTube channel to help you get started along the way. I'll leave links to all of them in the description down below this video. Now, if you already have KeyHelp installed and a domain name ready to go, let's dive in. I'll share my screen and we'll get into the tutorial. First, log into your KeyHelp control panel. If you're unsure how to do this, refer to the previous video on installing KeyHelp. Note that you should install KeyHelp on your subdomain if you want to use the same domain for both Joomla and KeyHelp. Next, navigate to the General section in the KeyHelp panel and click on User Administration. Here, you'll want to add a new client. Click on Add Client and follow the on-screen instructions to create your client account. You can customize the resource allocation according to your needs, but we're going to use conservative numbers here just to be safe. Once the account is created, we have to configure the PHP version. Joomla requires PHP 8.0 or above. Head on over to the Settings section and click on Configuration. Then find PHP interpreters. Here you can check out whether or not PHP version 8 or higher is installed. If it is not installed and you wish to use the latest PHP version, scroll down to the Available Interpreters section and select the latest PHP version. Then hit Save. The installation process may take a while. I suggest you come back in around 5 minutes and just refresh the page. As you can see here, the installation is now complete. Make sure Selectable is checked, and then on the drop-down option, select the PHP version that you just installed. Once that's done, it is time to add your domain. Head over to the Domain section and click on Add Domain. Select the account that you just created as the owner. Then enter the domain you want to install Joomla on. Go to the Security tab and select Let's Encrypt Certificate. Ensure Enforce Secure Connection is enabled, and then hit Save. After that, navigate to the Security section and click on SSL/TLS certificates. Click on Secure Server Services. Make sure that all services are set to Let's Encrypt and then hit Save. Now let's go ahead and configure the DNS settings. Go to the Domain section and click on DNS Editor. Select your domain from the list. Here you need to create the corresponding DNS record on your domain's DNS manager. If you're using Cloudflare like us, just follow the on-screen instructions to create the DNS records. Once done, log out from your administrator account and log into the client account you created earlier. Now navigate to the resources section and click on databases. Click on add database and generate a secure password. Make sure to note this password down as you'll need it later. Save the database and also write down the database name and username. It's time to install Joomla. Head over to downloads.joomla.org, right-click the Download Joomla button, and click on Copy Link Address. Then go back to your client area, navigate to the General section, and click on File Manager. Next, navigate to your domains folder, click on Upload, select from URL, paste the copied link, and remove the query parameters, then hit Upload. Once the upload is done, you'll need to extract and remove the zip file. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to do just that. Finally, visit your website's domain to continue setting up Joomla. Follow the Joomla installation wizard. When prompted for the database name, user, and password, use the credentials that you noted down earlier. This should only take a few seconds to install. Once done, you can visit your site or you can go to the administrator dashboard. And that's it, you have successfully installed Joomla on your VPS. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tutorials just like this one. And remember to visit RackNerd.com for all your hosting needs. We also have several guides on our YouTube channel to help out along the way. So thank you for tuning in today. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.